Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is eccentric. It is pronounced ec-cen-tric and is spelt E-C-C-E-N-T-R-I-C. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Eccentric is an adjective that means unconventional and slightly strange. It can also mean not placed centrally, or not having its access or other part placed centrally. For example, you could say, the old man was known for his eccentric behaviour, like wearing mismatched socks, or talking to his pet rock. Or, the planet's orbit was eccentric, causing it to move closer to and further away from the sun. The word eccentric comes from the Greek word ekentros, which means out of the centre. In the beloved Roald Dahl book, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Willy Wonka is a classic example of an eccentric character. He is a brilliant chocolatier with a quirky personality, wild ideas, and a penchant for outlandish inventions. Synonyms for eccentric include unconventional, quirky, peculiar, odd, and bizarre. Antonyms for eccentric include conventional, ordinary, normal, and typical. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, eccentric. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.